Hey, what's up? This is KH's for After Effects tutorial channel, and now working on very exciting tutorial how to export 3D model into After Effects, then texturing the model in Element 3D plugins. Let's start. This is Minion 3D model created in 3ds Max. Then how to export this model into Element 3D. Before exporting, a simple texturing the model, because this is a one model in editable poly. Select the elements. If you export this model into Element 3D, you can add just one material into all models, because there is a one color at all model. So go to materials, create a different material on a different elements on your model. Like what? Select a blue color on this, select the black color, select the yellow color, and then select the white color, select a simple color, and then select this one, apply this color, and height, apply the eye texture, finish, select the tone and apply this color, select the hair, apply the black color like this, or you can add the red color because you wanna texturing in Element 3D different texture on the hair. Unhide all, select your all model, and then go to File, Export, select it, go to OBJ, Desktop, Menu, enter, press Export. Okay, export it. Go to After Effects, create a new composition, right here, 3D model. Create a new solid, name it Minion. Go to Effects, Element, and then go to Effect Control, Scene Setup, then press Import. Press OK. There is the model. Move it on, great, and zoom in. First, go to Presets, Physical, apply a simple color, change to yellow like this, press OK, apply a different color like plastic, change to blue, and now apply the chrome and select this one, apply the glass material, go to setting, blend mode, add like this. So, and now There is a little bit problem into eye texture. Hide this one, hide selected, and select this one, apply UVW map, and go to select the spherical, cylinder, planar, gizmo, move it up, finish, right click, convert again, edit poly, and go to select element, unhide all, and go file, export, OBJ, Minion OBJ, press yes, export. Go back to After Effects. Look, the eye is fixed. So now select the black color, apply the plastic matte black, and select the teeth, apply the white teeth material. And now go to environment, change the environment reflection. Look, change a different environment, select another one, there is cinematic color, stylized color, and 360 color. Okay guys, thank you for watching. This was about texturing in Element 3D by exporting from 3D software programs into After Effects. See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel for more videos.